Hello everyone. Let's take a look at a trade I made today in crude oil. It's May 13, 2022, and it's a Friday. So the market supposedly had to be a little bit slow because there are no actually that many news today. However, the crude is moving bullish. So you can see here in my charts that crude is moving higher. It's actually 10:58 today, and I will see what it's going to happen the rest of the day if I'm gonna make any more trades. But this one here was kind of a nice, and I wanted to share with you because it was getting with the rules. So here we have the anchor chart. So you see I do have an 8. The anchor chart, let's go through the settings here. Let me get that one there so you can see the anchor chart on the unit Renko is 8, 20, and 40. So this one is double the size of this entry chart. So that would be the settings. 8 for the tick trend, open offset is 20, and tick reversal is 40. Okay, so so in here we do have that the let's see, at around 4 a.m. crude started. Oh, sorry about that. Let me see. Okay, so at around 4:30, the crude made a run and then a second bouncing out of the 34 moving average here, and then another smaller bounce right here off of the probably the 18. This one here, the red one, is the 21. So then it moved down and made this annoying up down. It was not a clean bounce, right? So it went down. Let me expand this a little bit so it can I can talk better about that. Okay, so this one is the anchor chart. So here we have this area here is not really clean, right? So you have down, up, down, and then moved up again. So in the it's actually a breakout and a bounce out of the moving average on the 34. Okay, so this one, there's a wick right here, right below this candle right here, and then or this break, and then move to the upside. So that is where I took the trade. Now my entry chart is not this one. This one is the anchor chart. My entry chart, there you go. So my anchor chart is this one here. So let's okay, before that, let's see what is happening here. So the trade should have been. Let me fix that a little bit, real quick, so I can show the entry. So I'm gonna put the marks only. Okay. So you see that that the entry was in this green candle. So with the trend, crude is moving higher and is still moving higher. Is that it is at 110 now, so it keeps moving. But then the trade was right here. So with the trend in the 30 minutes chart, and now let's see here what's. So there was an entry also. Right there, but the one I took was right here, and my exit was at this level, right, where this 30 minutes indicator or 30 minutes opening range indicator is. So you see that right there I have this red line, and that tells me that this is the closing of the, or the high value on the 30 minutes. So yeah, I was looking at it, and there's another thing that you have to see, which is this here. It says you have up here, up here, we have R2, and then we have R1. This box here is actually the resistance, the mid line resistance in between R1 and R2. So right there is where I saw it. Now it seems that Crude wants to go right there to R2 in the short term. Okay, so so let's explain the trade and what it triggered, why it triggered the trade. So you see all the price is now above all the moving averages. So you have the 200, the 89, the 32, and the 21. So price is above all the moving averages, and as well is above the cloud. It's crossing the upper side of the Ichimoku cloud, and it's also above this pivot high right here. So I took the trade there. Just 1 second. I took the trade just there, right here, when it was moving one tick above, and my stop was, below this brick right here, and then market moved, and I met the target. I should, it you have resistance here at this pivot high, right? But then you can so I put my exit a little bit below that price, and below also below the 30 minutes range, or within the upper side, below the upper side of the 30 minutes range. So yeah, exactly. That is the trade. $460. I entered it at 108.83 and exited at 109.29, I believe. Let me double check. Yes, 109.29. So $460 in gold, in Crude today. So let me give you a little bit of one more tip in here. So if you see, we do have this indicator. Let me open it. So this indicator is the squeeze momentum indicator right there. You can download this one off of the what is the name? Ninja Trader space. Let me validate what is the actual name. There, give me 1 second. So is, yeah, the ecosystem, the Ninja Trader ecosystem. So here you do have this indicator, the squeeze momentum indicator. If you see the squeeze momentum indicator, this one here is actually it was consolidating in this area right here. You do have the squeeze that is happening, and then it triggered to the upside, and basically it triggered, and we and I took advantage of this momentum as well. So yeah, so this one here is this is the 41020. So this is the size of this of this Unirenko chart, and then you will see here that, you know, if let's review a lower time frame, which is this 2510. Okay, so this one here, as I said, is let me see, is 2510. And let me show you what happened in this area where I took the trade as well. So it already made a run, and then you have 1, 2, 3 attempts or 3 pivots that we needed to go through, right? So in this case, it made already a run. So there was a little bit of noise in this area here. Let's see. There was a little bit of noise in I'm sorry. So there was a little bit of noise in that area right there. So with the higher time frame, we didn't see anything there, so we were able to go to the target right there. So yeah, that was the trade. Now the market has started to consolidate there. See, there's a choppy, or not choppy, but you know, moving up, down. So probably in a range here until it bounced again right there on the right there on the 200 moving average, and then moved up again. Okay, so there you go. So that's the trade. Let's get back into the entry at 4. Well, in this case, with 4 with the size of 4 on the Unirenko, I'm doing only 1 contract. Okay, so in the smaller one, I'm doing in the 2, I'm doing 2 contracts. Yeah, that would be the trade. Thank you for watching.